lived alone in a small...
Hey guys, how's it going? True here.
Isaac.
There we go. I had my bottle of water in the way OBS. I didn't see actually recording until a second ago. Sorry for the delay. Alright, here we go. We're just going to jump right in. Alright, looks like Eden. To Mom's Heart. Okay. This is the global scores are looking like. It's looking like it's stopped at Mom's Heart. Interesting. Okay. Oh, man. Resume. Don't know how I feel about this. Not a fan of this at all. Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck? I've never seen one of those come out of them. Okay. I really do hate guillotine. Whew. Really do hate guillotine. Whew. That was a help down or a freaking bad trip, I would have been dead. Boomerang's so fucking good though. But I won't lie, I'm disoriented from the guillotine. Whoa! Boomerang's got some range on it. Look at that. Alright, let's go look for the item room. Getting that HP up really helps out too, to be honest. Our damage is really fucking solid as well. Holy cow. Mmm. Immediately, little horn. Okay. Not desired result, but okay. My head counts as orbital, doesn't it? I'm most certain they think it does. Yeah. My head's technically an orbital. Got him! There we go. Honestly, I really like the boomerang, but we're going to keep our fucking current item. Yeah. We're going to keep our current item. I think we can get some stuff happening. We get a full exploration done, then we use it. We can make something happen. I mean, the boomerang's really good. Don't get me wrong, but... What do we got here? Jera. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. Jera, huh? Okay. Go. That. Okay, guillotine, you're getting some props, guillotine. Telepathy for dummies. That would fix any issues that I'm having with guillotine right now. I'm missing shots. But you know what? I'm not sure I have the button, the remote. Seriously? I'm trying to use guillotine. It's just not lining up. That's kind of shitty, but okay. Whoa. That's annoying. Alright, we're gonna hit a couple times. No big deal. Okay. I am not good at aiming this yet. I gotta stop doing it. Shit. We'll take the evil plus range up. I wanted both of them. Alright, we got both of them now. Yes, the one I thought it was. Okay. Alright, I forget how long I'll hold it for, but... No heart, that's okay. Diplopia, huh? No really. Okay, let's go do this. Secret room 1. Alright. That actually helps us out a little bit. Alright, let's take this to secret room 2. I'll go buy it. Up. Let's do it. Interesting. Do that. Hello, I am Error. Alright. So far, so good. That was 10 cents plus some. So interesting. Let's get this charged up. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Bold strategy to take both dills, but I feel it's going to pay off very nicely. We'll come to that when we see if we get a little stronger first. There we go. I'm okay with what I got. That was dumb of me. I'm not thrilled about that action, but that's okay. I don't really care for Mom's Perfume. I don't think it's much of a tears or damage up. It'd be more of a just a chance to charm, and I don't think it's going to help me any, so we're not going to take it. And our damage is pretty solid as is, if I had to be honest. And our HP is getting better per room. We're a few rooms. Let's see what we got here. The remote, anything I get to make my remote better is what I want. So, oh, come on. That's annoying. There we go. Got a matchbook. I'm A-okay with the matchbook. Evil up and some bombs? Yes, please. Alright, how are we looking? Been here. Secret room could be here. Let's check. Nope. Can't be here. Cannot be there. Cannot be there. See what's in here. Battery, helpful. You check there. Alright. What we'll do is we'll come in here, go to the curse room. Let's just do the challenge room first. Okay, comes one. We're not doing great on time. There we go. Worth every one. Alright. I'll take one half. Actually, yeah, I'll take damage going in there. Resistance. I mean, I ain't got much of a choice but just to pop it. Use this. Super secret room. We'll play it a little bit. That's all we're gonna play. Yeah. That could be interesting. Alright. So what's in there again? We don't have a choice. Alright. Now this should get us our other secret room. Yeah. We'll put a couple keys into them. Help out? That's okay. That's fine. Alright, let's get on out of here. Was there a battery at the shop? I'd love to get a battery. If I get a battery, it's in our error room. No battery. Shame. If I could have found the secret room on my own, we could have done something. Oh, come on. We could have done something with that. I mean, the error rooms are nice. Arcade. Okay, we'll go take a peek. I think we have like 4 hearts. There we go. Oh, come on. That's so frustrating. Health up. That gives me 1 red heart. Happy to have it. It could always be a health down pill, too. That's just part of the mystery we don't know. Alright, let's keep going. Agreed. Don't mind if I do. Helpful. We might Jera this. Yeah, we're gonna Jera this. As silly as it seems, it's a Jera for a shitload of money, 2 bombs, 2 spirit hearts. I know I could have got more out of it with chess, but that's a chance. What we just got was a fucking guarantee. And I like me some guarantees. Oop, there's one. Taking a lot of damage, but we'll do this. There's one secret room. We don't really have the bombs to do this the normal way. Shit. Let's just do it the normal way then. We got here? Purity rune, huh? I'm actually okay. My shadow? It's not bad. These. We're gonna dig us now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. We're gonna grab the go ahead. Then we'll be back. Guppy's head. Fuck. Let's see where we're at. We'll see where we're at here in a second. Let's see if we can get one more iron room. Can't be there. It's right here. I didn't realize we haven't been to this fucking room yet. We don't really need it. I mean, Rainbow Baby's nice, but honestly, I think we're pretty fucking strong right now, to be honest. How are we doing on time? We're not doing great on time. I want to be out here by 13 minutes. That's my goal, 13 minutes, so... Serious? Okay. Really? That hit. Be Larry Juniors, please. Larry Juniors. Or Mega Fighties. Oh man. That's fine, that's fine. We hit up Cursed Room. Damn, we should get Iron Air Room. Because we've been everywhere else. There's a heart in here, we'll go. Alright, secret room. The world. Okay, cool. We're not going to take Guppy's head. The Guppy dream would be nice, but I think I'm going to try to keep the HP for now. Let's just get out of here. Yeah. Air room. Don't really care for Able Eater, so we're just gonna go down. We're gonna save our world card. Actually, let's just use it now to get this floor done with. Shit, was not worth it at all. This is actually a pretty linear path, so come on, there we go. We got hit. How? I got always stuck on creep. Okay, we're doing okay. 16 minutes should be our goal on this floor. Oh, there we go. Yeah, 60 minutes. Yeah, I think it's fully possible. Oh, nice. Bob's head, no thank you. We're coming down here. Shit. Did we get Dark Heart from that? Alright, we gotta go. Nope, not worth it. Come on, guys. I think we got the leech now? We totally got the leech. Nice, it's good to have. This will be something killer for our deal with the devil. Alright, there we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. You seriously need to hit him with any of it? There we go. Don't care for lipstick. Dark matter we will take. Alright. It's 16 minutes. I do want to hit the shop. Shit. I really want to hit boss rush too. We still got time. We got time. Fuck. I'll take damage like that. We don't. We gotta be careful. Alright. That covers us quite a bit. Come on, grab it. Super greed? Seriously? Quarter? Glad they take that. I'm really happy we came up here. Quarter's a ton of points. Man, this is tough on time. I'm gonna have to go straight for the boss. Do that, super room. I am error. Guppy's Tell, are you serious? You take the bomb back for points. If I would have known Guppy's Tell was going to be there, fuck. Think deaths. Alright, we're in a hurry. We took Chubb down quick enough. Boss rush might be tough. I mean, we still got some time. There we go. That fucking helps. A little bit of flying. Oh, shit. Okay, we're getting strong. Come on. Yeah, we'll take it. Best bud. Alright, ain't nothing here. Strength, that helps out. Oh shit. Issac walked right into that. Infested, it's fine. We don't have time for that, so we're gonna do this. Alright, we can go in here. We got hearts for it. Come on, die. Can't risk a tail pills. I want the strength card. Alright. Where's our door? Oh, it's down here. We got like a minute. It's not a ton of time. Yeah, we keep taking tons of damage. Infamy? Yes, please. There we go. Yeah, we'll open that. It's fine. Something for a little more than that. We are not going to have time for boss rush. Yeah, ain't gonna be no way in hell. I mean, there's a chance. Let's do it. Oh, we were so close. Okay. We will take the mark. I'm gonna teleport out of here. That was a good fucking kill. Alright. I knew we could teleport out, so that was a benefit that we had. Let's try it right here. Damn. I wonder if we could teleport to boss rush. Huh. It's worth a try. It really is, actually. Huh. There we go. One room found. Can't remember if there was a key battery somewhere or not. I doubt there was. I'm looking everywhere. I'm not seeing a battery on the ground. So we'll go check the shop. And we'll check secret room right here. Nope. Can't be there. Shop. No battery, huh? Kinda sucks. I'll always be one in one of these chests. More points. I'm okay with that as well. I don't know if that was close enough. Yeah, it was. Wasn't there. Alright. Let's try this one. Not there. Well, I'm not going to search everywhere for it. What was in here again? I wasn't too worried about that. Alright. So, our goal is to use the remote to get to health up. I'm loving health up pills, to be honest. They're fucking really fucking good. Ooh, Tammy's head. Okay. I don't know. Actually, why did I pick that up? That was just a waste of points. don't think I got hit, did I? I might have. Alright, let's keep going. Tammy's head, good fucking pick. Oh, happy to get this fucking bomb. Tears down. Balls of Steel. Good fucking find. Balls of Steel. Oh, alright. We'll do this. Nothing there. Right here. We got golden bombs, so I will be searching for the secret rooms on my own. You're interesting. Not a single payout from him? That's depressing. Oh, come on. Huh. We got our smart fly, our best spud. Alright, let's keep going. I gotta think about the judgment. We'll check here. Nope. Alright. How about here? Was that good in the placement? Yeah, it was. It just wasn't there. I either just run right into him. Oh, yeah. Head to keeper, please. I like head to keeper. Did we check here? I definitely like my bling to be up. Let's just let him up. I mean, I'm okay where my health sits. Ooh, a luck up. That's worth it. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I've ever had Ace of Spades. Definitely. There we go. I was looking for you. Oh, goody. Battery. There we go. What we got here? Rinse to the end. I know I'm risking it a little bit with the pills, but screw it. There we go. Come on, where you guys at? You guys coming? I'll just come to you and blow up then. It seems like I'm doing it on purpose, but it's not my strategy, to be honest. I'm not doing it because I'm lazy either. It could be over here. Oh. I found it. Nice. Okay, we found that. Now, it should be this boss room and devil room. Oh, the leech is doing work. Now. Oh, thank you on the now. We will take Pageant Boy. 20 points for nowhere near as much money. Infested, we'll take it. Gladly take all this shit from you. Yep. I'm gonna blow you up. Nice. Alright, so on this floor, what we need to do is do it quickly. That's what it boils down to. Go quick. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Alright. Any money we get from this, plus just pure points. I feel we're in a really good position right now. I'm really liking the build. Yeah, Fate's Reward shows up a lot, but you know what? It's honestly a pretty good item, in my opinion. I mean, basically mimics your tears. Oh, come on. That was a pain in the butt room. So let's keep going. I wonder if it'll teleport me to the Hush fight. I don't know. Hush fight might not be a thing. We'll find out when we get done here. We got plenty of bombs. Can't be there. Cool. Let's see, so this room gonna be here. We're searching everywhere on our way. We searched there. Can't be there. Cool, cool. Can't be on either side here. Could it be here? No, it can't be. Could be here. Yeah, found one. Alright, so there's the floor layout. Oh shit, look what we got. One of the best followers in the game. Awesome! I mean, Little Brimstone's good, but the one we got, way better. I'm way happier with this. Alright, so we're looking for super secret rooms now. Oop, could be down here. Oh, alright. The more stocked up I get my HP, the better. The tower, okay, that's fine. So I want to have massive HP. I want my HP to be full. Never know if you get a chance to do the warp. And the more points we get, the better. Alright, we'll do this. This. Neither one's there. Okay. We're now went down. It's gotta be right here. It's not. Okay. We missed something. Check there. Could be on the other side of the arcade. Can't be there. Let's check. Not there. Not there. Could be down here. No, right here? No. Can't be there. Could be right here. There we go. Okay, that was fucking weird. All the way across the damn fucking map. Damn. Alright, so now we're going to fight the boss, go into the Devil Room, maybe get some new stuff. Abaddon would be nice. Sin Robes. Sin Robes for 1 heart, then Abaddon for 2 would be a fucking dream. Ow. There we go. And a Krampus. Alright, let's do it. No. No error room. And that's all she wrote. That's all the points we can get. I mean, probably not great. We'll see. If it figures out, I mean, hey, not bad. Not bad at all, honestly. Damage ability was a little high, but, I mean, we just took tons of hits. Item ability was low. We didn't take, there's quite a few items we skipped. Swag bonus, pretty bad, considering how much we had. I mean, Exploration good, stage bonus, not bad. If we would hit boss rush, I think we would have had a lot more competitive score for sure. For sure. But that's all we can do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it because I enjoyed playing it. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye bye.